Everyone keeps asking if AI will take their job. That's the wrong question. The question is, how do you become the one they keep?
Across every industry, AI isn't just speeding things up, it's quietly reshaping what companies value in the people they keep. So I wanted to understand that pattern. And I found one, a formula companies have followed in every major technology shift. I made a 16-minute documentary about it, built entirely with AI. It's called The One They Keep. It shows how that formula works and how to stay on the right side of it. Different tools, same outcome. Some adapt, some don't. It's not personal, it's policy. And to test the idea, I used AI to make the entire film myself, start to finish, to prove what one person can do when they learn to conduct the tools instead of fear them. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. Not because you want to make a film, but because once you see how this works, you'll never look at your own job the same way again. Here's a quick 15-second look at The One They Keep. Stick around and I'll teach you exactly how I built it with AI. The thing, companies aren't doing this for fun. They're terrified. Companies aren't adopting AI to be mean. They're fighting for survival. Even Microsoft faces an existential threat. Elon Musk just announced something called MacroHard, an entirely AI-powered company designed to replace Microsoft. AI makes it really easy to create anything fast, but speed means absolutely nothing if you're just guessing. So before I built a single frame of The One They Keep, I started with the most important part: research. First thing I needed was facts, not headlines, real data, not internet noise. I built one workspace where everything lived together. No scattered tabs, no lost context. I used Cursor for this. It's like ChatGPT, but for entire projects. So I poured everything in: layoff announcements, industry reports, academic studies, and real company data. Then I started asking bigger questions. I used Claude to do my research, ChatGPT to structure the film's flow, and Perplexity for ad hoc searches. The numbers hit hard. World Economic Forum says 92 million jobs by 2030. McKinsey says it could be 800 million. Those numbers terrified me, but numbers alone don't tell you what to actually do about it. So I looked back at history. Looms in the 1800s, assembly lines in the 1920s, self-checkout machines today. Same exact pattern every single time. Different technology, but the outcome always identical. Some people thrived. Most got replaced. The difference wasn't luck. It was what they did when the change showed up. That's when I saw it. Companies use a formula to decide who stays and who goes. Same formula, every wave. That's when I knew what I had to do: show people how to become the one they keep. I asked AI to write about keeping your job when the artificial intelligence wave comes. It sounded robotic. Why? Because a robot wrote it. To improve it, I created AI avatars. I asked each avatar to read it, give honest feedback, and tell me what the script was missing. One of their biggest reactions? If AI is so good at this, won't it just replace everyone? That line hit me hard, because they were right. We hadn't answered the fear yet. So I made that question the heart of the film. The next draft was all facts. It sounded smart, but cold. So we rewrote for feelings first, facts second. AI helped me write the words, but the emotion, that came from me. That's the part the algorithm can't learn, the part that makes it real. Then I split everything into 8-second scenes. Each scene, narration, image, motion, sound, text, 5 elements every time. Every hour planning saves 5 in production. Most people skip this step and waste days fixing preventable mistakes. I mapped out 177 scenes total. Every single one planned out before I produced anything. Every line of narration written, every visual described, every sound noted, complete documentation. So when production day actually comes, you're not improvising or panicking, you're just executing the plan you already made. How do you create 177 professional video scenes when you're not a videographer? This is how. First, I built a visual Bible. Think character descriptions, exact color codes, and brand style. Then I paste the image prompt from my script, every detail specified: lighting angle, color palette, camera position. I created portrait and landscape versions for every image because, well, Instagram isn't YouTube. ChatGPT creates it, Nana Banana resizes it, Canva touches it up. This isn't one tool, it's a production line. Seed image quality decides everything. If the starting image is wrong, motion can't save it. Once the image is right, I upload to Veo with the motion prompt I wrote during scripting. 4 video versions come back. Zoom in, pull back, lights fade. I pick the one that serves the story, then I download it into Camtasia. I did that entire process 177 times, every scene, no shortcuts. That's where quality lives. AI composed my entire film score. No musician, no music degree, no $5,000 studio, just prompts. 3 layers, voice, music, effects. AI generated all 3. Total cost, $90. Here's the exact process. I used ElevenLabs for the entire sound design. Voice generation, background music, and sound effects. One platform. First, narration. I tested 12 AI voices, uploaded my script, generated the voice track. Done. Then music. My prompt, start tense, end hopeful, feel human, not robotic. 3 tracks came back. First track too bright and cheery, second too dark and heavy, third one, perfect, never settle for version 1. Then scene-specific effects, whoosh sounds for transitions, subtle keyboard clicks, ambient room tone, layers create depth. Then I brought everything into Camtasia, audio synced with video, levels balanced, all layers working together. That sound booth? Empty. Voice, music, effects, AI generated everything, never needed it.